Subscribe to my channel PRIKNOWtomakeit and click on the bell icon to watch my latest videos first.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful snowflakes for Christmas and winter decoration. The best part is these are very easy, quick and cheap, and you can make as many as you want within a day. So let's get started. To make this, first we need to draw some designs of snowflake on a rough paper, or you can search on Google and print them out as well. I'm making a rough design just for the demonstration purpose so that you will get an idea. In the same way I've done this bigger one. So now we need a file cover, or you can use a Ziploc bag as well. Then place the design between the sheets. Now this step is very important. You have to follow this step. Without this you will not get perfect output. So for that I'm using Vaseline. You can use any lip balm to grease the surface. Now for the final step I'll use this 3D glitter. It's from Fabrica acrylic color. It's a multi-surface 3D outliner, so it will be easier for kids too. While drawing with 3D outliner, make thick lines, don't go for thinner lines, because after drying it will become more thin and the output will not look nice. Now let it dry for at least 12 hours. And I have done few smaller ones by following this pattern. You can see the difference here. The white one came out flat because I've greased the surface, and the blue one is little bent because the surface was not greased. And after 12 hours, this is how it is coming out. I can easily peel off this from the surface. So make as many as you want and decorate your window, room, etc. and let me know your experience. So thank you so much for watching and wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.